Did you just call me a 56-year-old fat ass?
No.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Say it now. I tried to cancel my membership here.
Up at their tiny post, Ryan and his team were being pounded. Almost instantly, every one of them was wounded.
Let's talk though, bro. Your sister died. All right, here we go. Oh,
This is man I want to risk.
okay. This is a guy you want to risk. All right. All right,
He's a
bet.
major cutie.
I got my boy wants to join and talk to you, bro.
Is it Drake?
Sweet. Yeah, it's Drake. It's Drake.
Yo.
Los, wait, why are you?
I know my
Rose.
phone fell on the ground.
Oh,
Yo,
Los,
what's
you
up?
remember Jay?